Okay, so this is Bitcoin over USDT 4-hour chart. Bitcoin had been moving inside this descending channel that I have here on the chart since January. We found a bottom around 74,500, and then the price action pumped, and Bitcoin broke out of this multi-month descending channel. We had a breakout, some kind of a retest, and a continuation move to the upside. We paused a little bit right here, where the price action formed this ascending triangle pattern. As you see, Bitcoin had been moving inside this range between 92,600 and 95,400. Eventually, a few days ago, in the beginning of May, Bitcoin managed to break out of this triangle pattern. We broke above it. The price action hit this next target that's located at 97,577. Traders and investors took profits, and the price action pulled back. So what we really wanted to see after this breakout is retest, turning that previous key level of resistance into new support. Breakout, a retest, turning that previous resistance into support, and a continuation move to the upside. But as you see today, Bitcoin experienced an even deeper pullback, and it's currently moving back inside this ascending triangle pattern. So if we zoom out a little bit in the weekly chart, this looks like a fake out. And we see a lot of fake outs lately when it comes to altcoins too. So now we are waiting to see what the price action is going to do next. Are we going to continue moving inside this ascending triangle pattern? Are we going to break below it and maybe bounce at this key level of support that's located at 92,600, just like we did here, here, and here? Or are we going to lose this support and break below? If we zoom out a little bit and we take a look at the weekly chart, we'll see that Bitcoin, the past few years, has been moving respecting this parabolic curve pattern. And this is the bullish scenario that I want to talk about today. The parabolic curve pattern is a powerful technical formation that unfolds through a series of ascending bases, as you see here. Each base is acting as a consolidation zone, basically, before the next surge up, here, here, and so on. This is often where prices can double in a very short time frame. This phase is typically driven by FOMO, fear of missing out, speculation, and bullish conviction returning to the market. Right now, Bitcoin's weekly chart strongly suggests that we could be forming base 3. This is the picture that I have here on the chart, right? This is how this parabolic curve pattern works. As you see here, we had a very nice move to the upside, then we had some kind of consolidation. This is base 1. Then the price action broke out. We saw a very nice explosive move to the upside. We had some kind of consolidation again, forming base 2. Another breakout, explosive move to the upside. Then again, some kind of a pause, base 3. And the price action managed to break out again. Therefore, according to this parabolic curve pattern, if the price action keeps respecting this pattern, what we might see in the coming days, weeks, or months is a continuation move to the upside and then some kind of a pause, forming the base 4, somewhere around here. Then after base 4, as you see here in the picture, we are expecting to see another explosive move to the upside, and after this explosive move is over, Bitcoin is going to peak. And this is where we want to take profits. After the peak, Bitcoin is going to pull back, break below the parabolic curve pattern that I have here on the chart, and the bear market, the markdown phase, will begin, technically. So this is the bullish case. If this structure continues to play out, we might be on the verge of a major breakout as the curve steepens into base 4 and potentially towards a parabolic peak. But there is also a chance that this parabolic curve pattern might get invalidated if the price action breaks below it, right? And this is the bearish scenario that I want to bring to your attention. This is the bearish case scenario, the Elliott wave theory. This is Bitcoin over USDT weekly chart, but this is the logarithmic scale, guys. Pay attention. For those of you who don't know, you can right-click right here, and instead of regular, click logarithmic. And this is how you can find this log scale chart. So what is this Elliott wave bearish scenario? According to this model, as you see here in the picture, the price action unfolds in a 5-wave impulsive move followed by a 3-wave corrective move. Here's how it works. In the beginning, we have these impulsive waves from 1 to 5. These impulsive waves represent the dominant trend, in this case, upward. And then, after wave 5, the corrective waves begin, A, B, and C. This is basically a retracement of that trend, often catching traders off guard. And this is why this idea is very, very important. Pay attention. So Bitcoin, in this case, as you see here, may have already completed its wave 5. Look at this. This was wave 1. impulsive wave, 1. Then we had a corrective wave, number 2. Another impulsive wave, number 3. A corrective wave led to 4. Another impulsive wave, number 5. This is technically the impulsive move from this low to this high of number 5. And then we start the corrective move, A, B, C. So wave 5 technically might be the final leg of the impulsive move. So now it might be entering an ABC correction. We have wave A, the first sharp drop from the high. Then we have wave B, a bounce that fails to break the previous high, a classic lower high, basically, right here. And then wave C, a deeper drop that potentially makes a lower low compared to wave A. The targets for this, if this Elliott wave structure plays out, is all the way down here at 50,657. If we take a look at the previous chart with this parabolic curve pattern, we see that if the bearish case scenario plays out and the price action drops all the way down to 50K, it basically means that this parabolic curve pattern, the bullish case scenario, might get invalidated. And we see something like this, right? We might see an even deeper correction all the way down here to 35,692. This is where things are going to get crazy, right? This scenario, the bearish case scenario, would point to a short-term bearish trend where Bitcoin pulls back further before finding true support, possibly shaking out weak hands and resetting sentiment before another bullish leg. So these are the bullish and bearish case scenarios that I wanted to bring to your attention. Whether we see a parabolic rally or an Elliott wave correction, Bitcoin is currently at a major crossroads. The decision made here won't just shape Bitcoin, it will ripple across the entire altcoin market and define how this 4-year cycle plays out. If you want to find these trading setups that I talked about today, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's totally free for now. You have nothing to lose. But make sure that you join as soon as possible because the group is not going to be free forever. Soon, the group is going to turn paid. But if you join now, you won't have to pay in the future. The price increase is going to be only for new members. So stay sharp, stay informed, and remember, being prepared for both scenarios is how smart traders and investors thrive in this market. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think Bitcoin is going to do next? Are we going to see this parabolic curve pattern to continue playing out, continue into base 4, some kind of consolidation, and then another huge breakout where we are going to see the peak? Or we are going to see the bearish case scenario playing out, the Elliott wave scenario? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know what you guys think. I know most people right now are bullish, but remember, 99% of people in crypto lose money. So technically, when you do the opposite of what everyone else does in crypto, you have more chances to win in this market. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. Are we heading for base 4 or wave C, something like this? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.